Mark Twain once said, "If you pick up a starving dog and make him prosperous, he will not bite you." This is the principal difference between a dog and a man. These words from the great American author surely make you think about the greatness of dogs. The largest breed like Mastiffs, Great Danes and Saint Bernard are strong enough to attack you like wild animals. But once you give enough care, they can be your best companion. Here are 10 biggest dogs in the world. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for more spooky content. Number 10. Hulk. While pit bulls and other snub-nosed, strong-jawed dogs are often seen as dangerous and unpredictable, this American Pit Bull Terrier and Bull Terrier cross named Hulk are sure to melt even the coldest heart. Not because he is fluffy and not because he is tiny, but precisely the opposite. He is the biggest pit bull that has ever lived, being as big as he is, around 173.4 lb in weight and still growing. People tend to look at Hulk, the dog, cautiously, but his owner, breeder and trainer Marlon Grannon of Dark Dynasty Canine trusts his big softie to play with his 3-year-old son. Pit bulls usually weigh around 30 to 60 lbs, so Hulk Pit Bull exceeds it almost 4 times. The kind of size and mass isn't particularly healthy for any breed. It impairs their agility and stresses the joints, shortening the possible lifespan. But even these risks don't stop Hulk from fathering his first litter of pit bulls puppies. Because of their daddy's big bone nature, the doggies are expected to grow to the same sized cute pit bulls as Hulk and should fetch the owner around $500,000. Number 9. Gibson. The biggest Dalmatian named Gibson, who is actually a Great Dane, who was considered at the time as the largest dog in the world and was part of the Guinness Book of Records in 2004. His great popularity turned him into one of the most media-covered dogs of American television when he participated in diverse shows. He loved the cameras and the cameras loved him back. Its height was exceptional, 3.5 feet from its leg to the shoulders and more than 6.56 feet erect on its hind limbs, almost the same size as Undertaker, one of WWE's biggest wrestlers. But don't worry, Gibson would not apply a dangerous trick on you. On the contrary, he was completely sweet. Unfortunately, bone cancer that took one of its legs and then spread throughout his body. Gibson lost the tough battle against cancer in 2009. We will always remember you, Gibson. Number 8. George the Giant. Although his photos looked photoshopped with him looking so huge, his large size made George to be recognized by the Guinness World Record 2010 as the largest dog on the planet with a height of more than 3.58 feet and a weight of 244.7 pounds. When George gets up on his hind legs, he was 7.25 feet high. But instead of being a defiant and imponent dog, he was shy and afraid of water. This big guy passed away in 2013 and left an empty spot for sure. Number 7. Freddy. And what do they believe? We will find a beautiful Great Dane yet again. Freddy, who is 3.4 feet tall and 7.55 feet long, if he stands with the help of his hind legs, much larger than a grizzly bear. Although he is one of the cockiest of the house, his owner has confessed that taking care of him is quite a challenge. And it is no surprise, because in order for Freddy to continue to maintain his 198.4 pound weight, he must be fed large amounts of food. Weekly, he can consume without a problem more than 8 cans of dog food, 4 roasted chickens, 11 pounds of guts and 11 pounds of chopped chicken. Number 6. Lizzie. Great Dane breed has a great reputation for its height and charming nature. This breed can be as tall as 3 feet or more. They weigh between 50 to 90 kg. Regardless of the giant size, the Great Danes are playful and very gentle. They are very affectionate, charming, and love to be around family members. Great Danes are very sensitive breed. They need attention from the family members. Are you impressed already? You don't even know the best part yet. The remarkably gentle Great Danes also work as therapy dogs. What else does a human need? Number 5. Zorba. We have one of the greatest of canine legends, the majestic Zorba, an English Mastiff so huge that he has won several places in the Guinness Book of Records. He was crowned the world's heaviest dog of 343.92 pounds, and to top it off, he also took the title as the longest dog in the world, measuring 8.2 feet from the tip of his nose to the end of his tail. Of course, although he was not considered the tallest dog because he was only 3 feet, thanks to his other achievements, he became the largest dog in all of England, his place of origin. Number 4. Boomer. Newfoundland is truly a large breed with an average height of 30 inches and weight between 60 to 70 kgs. They have very strong bones. It is said to be Newfoundland is stronger than large breeds such as English Mastiff. The Newfoundland dogs have very broad and massive head and strong neck. They also have very deep chest and long thighs. The Newfoundland dogs also have thick and long coat, mainly comes in black color. The coat also needs regular grooming to keep the good condition. They are very sociable and intelligent. The Newfoundland dogs bark very rarely, but they are protective and very devoted to the family. They are smart enough to detect threat in no time. Sounds so perfect for a next pet dog, right? Number 3. The powerful Zeus. Oh my dog. This is a true god. It's no surprise he was named Zeus. This huge Great Dane had really shocking measures. 3.64 feet standing on 4 legs and 7.22 feet leaning on his hind legs. Its huge size made its name to be embodied in the 2012 Guinness Book of World Records as the largest dog in the world. He always looked energized and very slim despite maintaining an excellent weight of 154.3 pounds. Must be emphasized that it is one of the primordial characteristics of the Great Dane because Zeus always had a voracious and insatiable appetite, all a glutton. Unfortunately, he died 2 months before he turned 6 years naturally. Goodbye, cowboy. Number 2. Major. One of the most cocky dogs of our top is Major, a dude of measuring 4.1 feet in height and more than 7 feet long. By always sleeping comfortably in a bed specially adapted for him, a king-size mattress. He sleeps much better than any of us, and not only that, their owners are more willing to prepare a special menu every day. Huge pieces of chicken with lots of rice so that he does not go below of its well-placed 220.5 pounds. What more can you ask for, Major? Number 1. The hairy Hong Dong. Tall with a heavy coat and a bushy tail that curves over his back, the Tibetan Mastiff today has a calm and majestic presence. He is a giant breed weighing 80 to 150 pounds or more. While he has many good qualities, the Tibetan Mastiff is not the right breed for everyone. If you want a gentle and patient dog, be prepared to do a lot of homework in order to find him, as well as put in plenty of effort to train and socialize him once you bring him home. The Tibetan Mastiff is quiet, watchful and protective of his family, including other pets, and he is inclined to be gentle with and tolerant of children. He has an independent nature with a determined and territorial temperament. They retain their guardian nature though, so strangers must beware, and introductions from trusted humans go a long way.